Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm looking at a Howard Miller. This is a high tide and low tide clock. What this is designed to do is tell you when high tide and low tide is coming so you can kind of plan your beach days. That's the idea behind this. It takes one AA battery that goes right in the back here. Once you put it in, then you adjust the tide in your area, and then basically it'll keep track of the high tides and the low tides. It's colorful, high quality item. Again, Howard Miller makes fantastic quality products. You can see the blue face here. You can see the beautiful the graphics on it. And here's the back of it here. This is where the battery goes, and you adjust the time by moving this little lever like this here, and adjust the main tide lever. Now it is acrylic and plastic and metal. High quality graphics on here as well. You can see the detail on this clock is absolutely beautiful. It's got that red arrow that points to the tide. You can see half tide falling and half tide rising. So you get that know when the tides are coming, and you know when the tides are receding. And that's what this clock is designed to do. Again, high quality, beautiful clear graphics you can see here, and just put one AA battery and you'll never miss a awesome beach day again. That's what I have for you. Again, high quality item. You can see how it is. You got these 2 feet on the bottom, and this stands it up so it doesn't fall over, which is really nice. You can put this on your boat. You can keep it in your living room, keep it in your office, anywhere at all. You never miss the tide again. Thanks for watching. If I brought you some value, don't forget to follow the channel for more. I do appreciate your time as always, and I hope I made your shopping experience a little bit better. Thanks for watching.